In this video, you will learn how to operate the advanced dashboard and how to alter your selected market. We'll also touch upon the differences between the regular and advanced dashboard. The advanced dashboard, also called advanced view, offers everything that your exchange has, but it makes it way easier to track your investments. It's easy to place manual buy or sell orders and check the charts. Users with an Explorer subscription or higher assigned to this hopper can directly use features like a take profit, stop loss, trailing stop loss, and the trailing stop buy while placing their order. Tools like shorting and DCA can be done through this view as well. Click the links on the features to get an in-depth explanation of what they do. Your view shows one market. If you want to switch markets, click the pair in the top left. The chart on your advanced dashboard offers many tools for trading. For example, you can save specific technical indicators in a template and immediately check all your selected coins' technical indicator values. You can use the top right buttons to use full screen mode, switch to night mode, see your current assets, or access your hopper controls. In the assets section, you can find all of the assets that you currently own on your exchange. More importantly, you can synchronize them into your hopper. Click on Synchronize to get started. In the Synchronize menu, you can synchronize positions that you have open on your exchange and not in your hopper. So if you synchronize your assets, then your hopper will convert your holdings into a position. Your hopper will use the current price as the buy price. Thus, it will convert your holding into an open position at 0%. If you've bought the asset for another price and want a correct profit calculation, make sure to fill in the right buying price in the rate section. To synchronize a coin, just enable sync on your desired coins and then click Synchronize Selected. Then you'll be able to see it as an open position in your hopper, where you can adjust its take profit, stop loss, trailing stop loss, and DCA as a regular order. If you do not change anything, then the new position will be sold based on your hopper's base config settings. You can use the refresh button to reset the rate of the coins at the current market rate. If you click sell, the hopper will open up a limit sell order for you. If you would like to try this feature without risking your hard-earned money, you can experiment with paper trading. Deposit some coins via the paper trading deposit, and you'll be able to synchronize them just like the real coins. Note that dust positions, which are positions smaller than the minimum trade amount of the exchange, can't be synced. The auto sync option will synchronize new assets automatically and import them. This feature allows you to exchange assets automatically with the help of profit-making tools. This feature is especially useful for miners or merchants who accept crypto, as they can systematically profit from incoming assets. Don't use the auto sync feature if you have multiple hoppers running on your exchange account. The same goes for paper trading. The beauty of the advanced view is that you can analyze the markets and act from one window while tracking your investments accurately with the positions window. You can also configure take profit or trailing features while ordering. This makes trading much easier and allows you to have a brilliant bot trading assistant. Even the order book is usable. View where your order is in the order book. You can drag and drop your order to the point that you want to have it, without the need to cancel your order and configure a new one. That's some trader friendliness right there. Besides checking the open positions, you can also check your short positions, orders, trade history, reserved funds, and strategy values of all your selected coins. You can also check the activity of the hopper in the hopper output and check messages. You can use your reserved funds as your savings account. You can move open positions, or even your base currency into the reserved funds tab. Moving your positions or base currency into the reserved funds will prevent your hopper from interacting with them until you release them or move them to open positions. So to recap, you now know how to check out the advanced view, how to alter the market you are checking, and how to alter settings per position. In the next video, we will go over paper trading and how it works.